In this video, I will show you how to cancel YouTube Premium subscription. To get started, what you want to do is head over to youtube.com, come up to the top right hand corner and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click onto your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and from this menu that comes up, you want to come and click onto purchases and memberships. So what it's going to do is take you to a screen like this, where you're going to find your current YouTube Premium membership, and all you need to do is come to the right hand side, click onto the Manage Membership button, and it's going to give you further information about your membership. From here, you can see the cancel option here, so just give that a click. What's going to happen is a window is going to come up, giving you further information on what's going to happen when you cancel your membership. So you're going to see how long you have access to, which is generally until your next due to be billed, but you can find all the information here. So all you need to do to continue is just click yes, cancel down here, and then you're just going to get a confirmation window here. So we can just close this down, and you can now see that our premium is due to end here. So that is how to cancel YouTube Premium subscription. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple YouTube and tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.